Welcome back to ASVAB Roadmap. Today's video is about systems of equations. Let's jump right into it. On the ASVAB, you may be presented with two equations with two variables and be asked to solve for the value of one of the variables. There are two ways to do this: substitution and combination. Substitution. Using the substitution technique, you will use one equation to express one variable in terms of the other. Then you'll substitute that expression for that variable into the other equation. Let's do an example. Find the value of x. 6x plus y equals 15, and 2x minus 3y equals negative 5. Here are the answer choices. Let's find the correct answer. Step 1. The question gives you two linear equations with two variables. Step 2. You need to solve for one variable, x. Step 3. It is easy to isolate y in the first equation, so use substitution to do so. Plug in negative 6 plus 15 for y in the second equation. Solve for x. Choice C is correct. Step 4. Briefly confirm that you follow PEMDAS and perform the calculations correctly. Now let's talk about combination. The other way to solve for the value of a variable when you have two variables and two equations is to combine the two equations by adding or subtracting them in such a way that you eliminate one of the variables. Then you can solve for the remaining variable. Let's do an example. Find the value of a. 4a plus 2b equals 44, and 6a minus 2b equals 46. And these are the answers to choose from. Step 1. The question gives you two linear equations with two variables. Step 2. You need to solve for one variable, a. Step 3. If you add the two equations together, you will eliminate b. This can be done by using combination. We set up our problem and then simplify. A equals 9, so choice B is correct. Step 4. Briefly confirm that you performed the calculations correctly. Alright guys, that was systems of equations. Moving on, we're going to be talking about quadratic equations with variables. I'll see you in the next video.